Got a new Apple Watch? Here are the taps, swipes, and presses you'll be using most. Let's say your friend sends you a message, which you'll feel with a gentle tap on your wrist. To respond right away, raise your wrist to see the notification, then scroll to the bottom of the message using the digital crown or by swiping on the screen. Then, choose one of the options, which include preset replies or emoji. Let's send an emoji. Turn the digital crown to pick one, and then send it with a tap. If your notifications have been stacking up, you can see them all in one place in Notification Center. Touch and hold the top of your watch face, and then swipe down. Now you can scroll through your notifications. Once you're all caught up, you can clear notifications from this list by scrolling to the notification you want to delete, swiping left across it, and tapping the X. With a different gesture, you can clear all your notifications at once. Make sure Notification Center is open, then firmly press the screen and tap the X that appears. Look at that clean slate. Control Center gives you quick access to settings such as airplane mode, playing a sound to find your iPhone, and Do Not Disturb. Swipe up to access it from any screen. You can close Control Center by swiping down from the top of the watch face or pressing the digital crown. Want to use Siri instead of tapping and swiping on screen? Press and hold the digital crown, then say something like, "Play my running playlist." You can then press the digital crown to return to your watch face. To quickly return to the last app you were using, just double-click the digital crown. To see all your recently used apps in the dock, press the side button on your Apple Watch from any screen. You can access Apple Pay by double-clicking the side button. And if you press and hold the side button, you can turn off your Apple Watch or use Emergency SOS, which lets you quickly call for help and message your emergency contacts. And if you ever want a fresh look for your Apple Watch, swipe left or right from one edge of the screen to the other to swap in a different watch face. And that's it! Now you're ready to get the most from your new Apple Watch. For more helpful Apple Watch tips, subscribe to the Apple Support channel or click another video to keep watching.